Blizzard announces Sombra, the second new hero for Overwatch. After months of teasers and anticipation, Blizzard has finally announced Sombra, the second hero to be added to Overwatch. Sombra joins the first new character, Ana, and Eichenwald, the first additional map as part of the Blizzard's plan to continue to support the game with new updates post-launch. In the game's fiction, Sombra is a hacker who's a member of the Los Muertos gang of Mexico, and works with the villainous Talon organization, along with the characters Reaper and Widowmaker. The announcement was accompanied by an Overwatch animated short featuring the new character. Gameplay-wise, Sombra is classified as an offense character, with abilities that fall right in line with the stealthy hacking motif of the character. Her hack ability allows her to temporarily disable opponents and disable health packs. Additionally, Sombra's thermoptic camo power temporarily allows her to cloak, and her translocator power allows her to teleport to a throne beacon. Finally, Sombra's ultimate is EMP, which disables any enemy shield and abilities in a wide area around the character. The Sombra news also marks the culmination of a months-long alternate reality game that Blizzard began in the announcement video for Ana in July. Since then, Blizzard has built up anticipation with coded messages, encrypted images, and a 3-month-long countdown timer that's left some fans more frustrated than excited for the character reveal. The full details of the almost ludicrously complex trail of clues can be found on the Game Detective Wiki, where the community had been working together to compile and solve the various pieces of the puzzle. Along with Sombra, a new desert map called Oasis was announced, along with a new arcade gameplay mode, which will feature 1v1 and 3v3 game types. Sombra in the arcade mode will be available on the Overwatch Public Test Region, PTR, server for PC players next week, with the final release for primary PC servers and consoles scheduled for sometime in the near future, while the Oasis map will release sometime in December.